ఐదు రాష్ట్రాల అసెంబ్లీ ఎన్నికల ప్రచారంలో బిజీగా ఉన్నారు ఎల్ఓపీ రాహుల్ గాంధీ. కేరళంలో పర్యటించిన రాహుల్ ఆ రాష్ట్రంలోని నర్సులను కలిశారు. కాసేపు వారితో సరదాగా ముచ్చటించారు. మన ఆరోగ్య సంరక్షణ వ్యవస్థకు నర్సులు పునాది అని చెప్పారు. వారి వృత్తి, సవాళ్లు, కేరళం సంస్కృతి, ఆహారంపై డిస్కస్ చేశారు. అలాగే కేరళం నర్సుల అంకిత భావం, నిస్వార్థత, సానుభూతి వెలకట్టలేనిదని చెప్పారు. మన ప్రజల కోసం, దేశం కోసం నర్సులు చేస్తున్న కృషిని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా అభినందించారు రాహుల్.
Hello. How are things?
Fine, sir.
What's going on?
Yes, everything is smooth going on.
Everything is smooth?
Yes. Yeah.
And how come you became nurses?
I'm a second generation nurse actually. My mother is also a nurse.
Okay.
So from a very young age, I was already clear that I wanted to join this profession because when I used to go and pick up my mum from her shifts, she used to tell me all these stories, it would be this and then this patient came and then this happened, that.
And if in the hospital system you could improve one thing, what would you improve?
कभी कभी जूनियर स्टाफ जाके आप कैसे है ऐसा नहीं, पेशेंट के पास खड़े हो जाओ, उनसे पूछो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, तो पूरी की पूरी हिस्ट्री वहाँ से ले लो. डायग्नोसिस पता होना चाहिए एक स्टाफ नर्स, फिर वो क्या क्या कॉम्प्लिकेशन हो सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ है. बट इतना तो जूनियर स्टाफ पेशेंट के पास जाके टाइम नहीं दे सकते.
स्पेशली पेशेंट को तो सिंपैथी चाहिए, उनको जो हाथ में
Connection
देना
चाहिए.
चाहिए,
कनेक्शन नहीं,
उसका दवाई वगैरह हाथ में देना चाहिए. ये नहीं है आपको चाहिए तो खा लो, यही मेंटालिटी है
चाहिए.
जनरेशन.
Did you ever think of going outside India, Dubai or Middle East?
नहीं, मेरा बेटी यूके में
वहाँ पे है?
इनके साथ
She's
पढ़ाई
my
किया.
batchmate. Her daughter is my batchmate.
Okay, and she's a nurse there.
Yeah, she's a nurse in the UK.
And what is the difference over there and here?
So
Do they-
one major difference is that the shift timings are quite different because they get 12-hour shifts and we get 8 hours and then a night shift. They have continuously 12-hour shifts. And I think wahan pe the pay is different because
Obviously, huh?
because they get paid by the hour and we get paid like we have a basic pay and then our monthly salary comes in. So that is also different, and then I think it's easier to climb the career ladder there because there's just too much diversification of what you can do further in the career.
What would you say is the biggest issue facing the medical system in India?
Lack of manpower.
Trained manpower or?
Both. Trained manpower. Because private nursing mein to abhi the nurse patient ratio is okay. But if you look at, I did my practice in Safdarjung Hospital. So I used to see that almost 15 nurses would manage more than 100 patients in a general ward. So we as students, we were very terrified of, the crowd, people lying on the corridors with no help and this curtains around. Probably somebody is diseased there and there's a curtain there, and it was a very terrifying scene for us when we were juniors and working, as a recently enrolled nurse into the nursing, and then when you see that situation, it was quite difficult. So I would say.
And what's a good ratio for a nurse to patient? Like 3 or 4?
So in a high acuity area, yes, 3 to 4. But for a ward, 6 to 8 is also manageable.
6 to 8. And ICU ventilator 1:1 and other patients 1:2.
ICU is 1:1. No?
Yes.
Ventilator.
For vent patients.
Because you have to just.
वेंटिलेटर पेशेंट. आप तो जाके आए ना अभी?
अभी तो आपने पूरा जगह जाके आया था.
केरला तो मैं काफी जाता रहता हूँ, अच्छा लगता है मुझे केरला. लोग भी अच्छे हैं केरला के.
लोग भी ऐसे हैं.
एजुकेशन लेवल अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी अच्छा है, मतलब तो. और पॉलिटिक्स में भी जैसे लोग समझते हैं चीज़ों को और मतलब रैशनल डिसीजन लेते
ले
हैं
लेते हैं अपना.
कि इस बेसिस पे सोच समझ के डिसीजन लेते हैं. और मुझे दूसरी बात जो अच्छी लगती है, जो पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम में जो पंचायत का सिस्टम है, लोकल बॉडी का
उधर
सिस्टम
है.
वो स्ट्रॉन्ग है.
हाँ स्ट्रॉन्ग.
तो उससे बहुत फ़ायदा होता है कि वहाँ पे मेन पॉलिटिकल लड़ाई लोअर लेवल की होती है, तो इन्फॉर्मेशन काफ़ी अच्छा
चलता है.
चलता है. खाना थोड़ा मेरे लिए ज़्यादा हैवी होता है. बहुत, मतलब मैं जाता हूँ तो बहुत खिलाया.
टेस्टी है ना?
फूड भी ऑल
फूड तो वैसे टेस्टी मिल जाता है.
टेस्टी होता है, बट मतलब
हेवी हो जाता है.
हैवी हो जाता
हेवी
है.
हो जाता है.
बहुत खिला देते हैं. मैंने 2-3 चीज़ें नोटिस की हैं. आप राइस के बिना आपका खाना नहीं हो सकता,
बिल्कुल नहीं होता.
है ना? राइस के बिना खाना नहीं होता. कोविड एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
सर्जरी तक किया हमने कोविड में.
सर्जरी किया?
यस, मैं OT इंचार्ज हूँ.
हाँ.
तो हमने सर्जरी भी किया कोविड टाइम में.
आपने?
हम लोगों ने.
नर्सेज ने?
यस. सो डॉक्टर्स भी है.
हाँ, बट करना पड़ा
यस.
कि ओवरलोड हो गया पूरा सिस्टम.
नहीं सर, करना है ना, इमरजेंसी है तो करना ही है ना सर.
रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम से कोविड में डेथ्स हो रही थी.
हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा.
बेसिकली रेस्पिरेटरी फेलियर.
या
बेड अवेलेबिलिटी कम था. इस टाइम।
Something that I would like to tell you and I would bring your attention to is that nursing will not improve unless and until the nursing education is not improved. And if at all our teachers and our professors are so overburdened, our education is going to go down. And like all these seasoned nurses are telling us that Gen Z and the new nurses need a lot of empathy and sympathy and bedside manners and everything. If our teachers and if our professors are so overburdened with everything, I don't think we'll be able to cross that barrier.
You're more open-minded. Also, I think English also has something to do with it. I think so.
Communication.
कम्युनिकेशन।
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
क्योंकि आपको मिलके हम लोग हो गया। मैचिंग है।